This is the scuttle panel running here. First thing to do is to pop off these tabs. 13mm to get these off. I'm going to hold it there just to lock them in place. I'm not 100% sure if that is the safest way of doing it. Oh, God, they are tight. And then these should hopefully just wiggle off. Oh, there we go. This is the thing, sometimes these easy jobs just aren't easy. So I finally got that off. I had to use this. So I'm just going to remove this rubber piece here. Okay, so with that rubber piece removed, we now need to just undo these screws. This is for the pollen filter. Nice and easy, just Phillips heads. And then we should be able to use a trim removal tool and come in behind here, and it slowly loosens up. And now I'll start from this side as well. And out it comes. Bit of damage in here where I had to try and get that really stuck wiper out. And then this piece here, they always seem to break there. I don't even know what it's for. Let me know in the comments below if you know what this little bit here is for.